before the water sank. The earth was bathed in gold. An inland sea stretched far and wide, where ancient tales were told. Megafauna thundered, diprotodons would roam. Sunlight warmed the forest depths, dispelling winter's gloom. The skies grew pale, the warmth withdrew. A chill began to rise. Ice crept down from southern heights, a shroud or paradise. The giants slowed their wandering, the sea began to shrink. A timeless land held its breath upon the cooling brink. The ice age gripped the ridges, the ocean turned to stone. Lakes froze where waves once danced, and life was overthrown. Silent winds carved valleys deep, the Megafauna fell. A frozen world in stillness lay, where ancient echoes dwell.
And they walked these lands beneath a shifting sky, through flood and frost, where ancient spirits lie. Before the water sank, before the cold took hold, this land was whole, a story yet untold.
The ice began to melt at last, a trickle turned to streams. The land awoke with fragile green, reviving ancient dreams. The sea returned, but softly now, no longer bold and high. A gentle thaw reshaped the coast beneath a muted sky. Where oceans rained, new lakes were born, their waters calm and clear. Sandy beaches rose from silt, a shore to revere. The ridges stood as silent guards, where once the giants strode. Mellacoota's frame took shape, a tale in every node.
And they walked these lands beneath a shifting sky, through flood and frost, where ancient spirits lie. Before the water sank, before the cold took hold, this land